This is the final video to fix the Spotify 14-day abroad error once and for all. Are you seeing that annoying message that says you can only use your account for 2 weeks while traveling? This happens because Spotify tracks your location and wants your account settings to match the country where you actually live. Most other guides you find on social media are way too long and make things much more confusing than they need to be. Here at Rexish, we make things simple for you. There are 4 proven methods to fix this problem right now, and I guarantee that at least one of them will work for you, even if your account feels totally stuck. You should pause this video now and try these methods one by one, or take screenshots of what you see on the screen, so you do not miss a single detail. I will not waste your time with long stories, because these secrets are the only things that actually work. Watch the screen closely and follow the methods step by step as they appear right now.